everyone, my name is Olivia. I am the designer of this project, Inktank. Today, I would like to show you a few features of this application. Inktank was created in order to provide a place for users to browse tattoo designs and artists, book appointments, and take part in a community of tattoo enthusiasts. When you first open the app, you have a brief onboarding on the screen that you can scroll through, and that gives the users a brief introduction on the app. When you sign up for the first time, you'll just be prompted to input your name, email, and password to sign up. And you're going to be taken to a brief tutorial on the various elements on the application. You also have the option to skip the tutorial if this is something you've seen before. So you can see that you can search for different tattoo themes, styles, and artists. This is a profile button that allows users to access their saved images, appointments, and edit information. And then we also highlight the fact that the navigation bar here is where users can navigate to different parts of the app. So here you have the main screen. It's pretty straightforward and simple. Most of the space on the screen is taken by the image of the designs, and that's what most users of the app would be focusing on. You can click the heart to like the image, and that will get saved into your profile. And here you see that you can also filter through images. So there are a lot of different images, and if you click on the filter button, you'll see that it's organized into different categories, and you can filter by the style of tattoo that you're interested in. So if you just click OK, that would filter out the images. You simply click the X on the card, and that will erase out the filter. So that makes it very simple to browse through different designs that people are interested in. If the user wants to look at different artists available on the app, they simply would click the Artist tab, and this will show a brief description about the artist, where they're located, what their specialties are, and their star rating. Users just have to click the More button, and they would get a more in-depth look at their profile, as well as a little brief blurb about the artist themselves, and users can save, share, or book an appointment with the artist on this screen. Next, we can also look at bookings on this app. So from the artist screen, users can easily click the book button, and then they can go ahead and input details on the type of tattoos that they would want, insert additional comments or an image, and the application will confirm back to the user that they will receive an email regarding a time and date for a tattoo consultation in this way. Users can also access bookings with the Booking tab up here. Now, with the Booking tab, you are able to select an artist or get matched up automatically. So for example, if I would like to get matched up, I would have to select which city I am in. So if I click New York, I am also able to input the details of the type of tattoo that I would want, insert comments or an image, and there is a feature here where you can just record your voice instead of typing, if that's easier for some users who have a lot of things to comment upon. And the application will show a confirmation, letting users know that they would be emailed with a list of tattoo artists that would be matched up for them. And lastly, we also have the option for users to connect to the tattoo community via a forum. There are some pinned topics on top, which is pretty standard, and then users also see a number of boards that would have more specific information that they might be interested in. So if the user clicks on Design and Inspiration, they'll be able to read through some existing forum posts. They can comment or like certain posts, And there'll always be an option for them to create a new post right here. They can make a title and message, add hashtags to make their post easier to find for other people. They can change the font and add attachment and post. So that basically shows the functionality of Inktank. If there's any questions, please feel free to let me know. I hope you guys have enjoyed this walkthrough.